let's be real. If you're watching this, you probably don't want another complicated side hustle. You want the laziest way in order to make money online, and you want to do this with AI. Your boy is talking about $300 per day without needing to show your face, without having to build a huge list, without having to grow followers, or spend years learning a whole bunch of new skills. And yes, this is beginner friendly. This is for you. Most people think making money online is creating digital products like ebooks, starting a YouTube channel, posting 50 million times per day on TikTok. Sure, I mean, look, I do some of that stuff. I'm being extremely exaggerative, but it doesn't take all that. It's not the laziest way. The laziest way is allowing your stuff to be done by itself, aka with AI plus ads. You create these ads and you let AI do all of the heavy lifting while you focus on the simple system and the blueprint that works and that it's proven to bring forth results. Here's how it works in plain English. Step number 1, hit that subscribe button because you haven't done so already. I already know it. I can feel it in my bones. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers in a matter of months. Also hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload something. And when it comes to make money online, Antonio X Carter delivers every single time. Now for the real step 1. Use AI to create click-worthy content. This can be articles, emails, headlines, mini guides, PDFs. It can be all of that stuff. But whatever you pick, we're going to allow AI to do this. Instead of trying to go viral and instead of having you shaking your booty on a camera like it's OnlyFans or something, we're going to put articles in front of the people who are looking for that exact thing at that exact time so that you can make an affiliate sale. In step 3 in this first section, this is why we are using something called native ads. If you've never heard of it, I guarantee you that you've seen it. You probably see it every single day. This is done on platforms called Rev Content or Taboola. Today, we're going to be talking about Rev Content. If you scroll down on some of these websites like CNN, you have these things that look like articles, but they're really ads. CNN, Forbes, even Yahoo and Google sometimes have these weird looking ads. At the bottom of the picture, they say sponsored content. You thought it was an article. Because when people click on these articles, inside of the content, they're stuffed with affiliate links. And lo and behold, this is how you start hitting your $100, $200, $300 days. And sometimes, depending on what you're promoting, even more. So once again, let's break this process down. We're going to use ChatGPT. You can also use DeepSeek AI or even Jasper. And you're going to tell it to write a 300 to 500 word article with a catchy headline about something that you're promoting. So let's say you're in a fitness niche and you have a product about losing belly fat in order to get a six-pack in 30 days. You're going to tell the AI, aka ChatGPT, in my case, ChatGPT-5, how to lose weight in 30 days or less without exercising and get a six-pack while eating anything that you want. AI is going to do its thing. It can even come up with the headline for you. But after you do that, you're going to find some affiliate products on websites like clickbank.com and Digistore24. You're going to find weight loss products that are doing well, that's selling like hotcakes. And then you're going to sprinkle those in your article. You can even find products on Amazon, things that people use all the time, and you can put that in your article with affiliate links. Now that you've got your articles written, we're going to utilize Rev Content in order to drive traffic to these articles. $10 to $20 a day can put your article in front of thousands of individuals that are ready to buy. Let the ad do the work. This is where the lazy part comes in. You don't need to post daily. You don't need to send out emails. You don't need to manage social media. You're using this whole thing to build an audience from scratch. And then before you know it, you're going to start seeing metrics and results and all of that. You can copy and paste those results within the AI and say, hey, this is what I'm getting. Can you tell me what's happening? Oh, I got to sell here. How do I make more sales with this information that I have? And ChatGPT will literally tell you how to optimize your ads. You don't have to do a thing. So I've been deep diving into this method right here. I even do it myself. And here's the crazy part. Some of the biggest companies in the world already use native ads, and you have no idea. Now that I put you on game, you can do the same exact thing with AI. Create those articles in minutes, test your offers fast, and start raking in the results and put money in your pocket very quickly. This is not something that's fake. This is not a pipe dream. This is what makes it the laziest way, because AI does the writing and ads do the distribution. You just set it up, check stats, tell ChatGPT what's going on, Let ChatGPT tell you what tweaks to make and watch the money rake in. This is way better than posting 10 to 20 times per day, hoping and praying that something's going to come in. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds fantastic, but how in the world do I set this up by myself? You told me this was for beginners. Yeah, that's true, but this is where most people mess up. Hold on. Don't go around writing these long articles and just running ads and burning money by yourself, because I've done that already and it didn't go well at all. Here on my YouTube channel, I test the things that I'm telling you about so that you don't have to. This is why I recommend this course that I've taken by Tom Bell, who is a bona fide native ads expert, and he has the trophies of ClickBank in order to prove it. He's generated well over like $250,000 in sales or something. That's the only way you could get the Platinum ClickBank Award. I believe it's $250,000 either in sales or commissions, but either way, he has multiple of them, and he teaches other people how to do the exact thing by building these campaigns with native ads specifically. This is where I've learned this tactic, and now I'm telling you about it. I don't have a course. I don't have anything to give you or pitch you. I'm just recommending this product because I've taken it, I found success, and now I want you to have it. Go ahead, check it out. The link below, click it, read all the information, and if you're interested in hitting your $300 days and even $1,000 days with this method that I'm telling you about, the course is an affiliate link, so if you decide to purchase it, I do get a commission, no expense to you, but that is a thank you for supporting me in giving this type of content over to you. I would appreciate it. So if you want to learn the laziest way in order to make $300 per day with AI, this is it. Go ahead, click that link. Rev Content is free to use. It's very simple to use. Not a lot of people know how to do this method right here. You're probably 2 to 3 years ahead of everybody else if you take action on what I'm showing you right now. Instead of chasing trends in social media and TikTok dances, you'll finally have a system that works for beginners and scales with AI doing most of the work. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to watch this video next. I've been on an AI kick, and there is a reason, and it is because it is a massive shortcut to massive wealth online. If you're not taking advantage of it, you need to before you are left behind. Go ahead, watch this video next. You will not be disappointed. We'll see you in the next video.